This is Josh with RLB Motorsports, and today I want to talk to you about how to integrate one of our rear chase lights into a UTV that already has a blinker kit installed in it. So this will work with all the blinker kits on the market as long as they use the factory tail light as the blinker. What we're going to do is I'm going to go over the wiring with you, show you how to do that, also demonstrate what happens when you first install the chase light when it's tied into a blinker kit before you make any modifications at all. So when you first install one of our chase lights on a vehicle that is already equipped with a blinker kit, you'll notice that the lights don't react as you expect them to. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the vehicle on here. You'll notice the tail lights all come on together, which is what we want. But now when I hit the left blinker, you'll notice the brake lights on the chase light both flash. If I hit the right blinker on the car, neither one of the brake lights on the chase light flash. This is because how we wire our chase lights is we use the left and the right brake lights into one pin on the harness. So I'm going to show you guys what you need to do to make that one wire modification to now make the right and the left blinkers work independent of each other. Assuming that you installed your chase light upright with the harness coming out of the driver's side of the chase light, and you installed your pigtail into the driver's side tail light of the vehicle, then right under here we're going to be looking at the harness that comes out of the chase light into the pigtail. What we're looking for is the blue and green wire coming out of the chase light harness side of that pigtail. We're going to take the green wire and we're going to run it to the right side of the vehicle in order to operate the right blinker. So I'm going to start by cutting back this heat shrink right here. Be careful not to cut any wires that are in here. Until we get to the green wire, I am going to cut the green wire off the Deutsch connector right here so that we can use our new blinker brake light extension. What this is this is going to allow us to plug into the brake light on the right side of the vehicle, and then we provide plenty of green wire to get you to this side of the vehicle, as well as a Deutsch connector that will then plug into our plug and play more pigtail. To hook this up on the right side of the car, what we're going to do is unplug the factory tail light. We're going to plug our plug-in play more pigtail where the factory tail light harness was, and then we're going to take the other side of the factory harness and plug it into our plug-in play more pigtail. There we go. Now we're left with just the Deutsch connector. So we're going to take our extension, we're going to plug this in to the Deutsch connector. Again, you should hear a little click. Now we're going to route this green wire to the left side of the vehicle and hook it into the green wire on the chase light harness. So after running your wire to the left side of the vehicle, we went ahead and stripped it back, as well as the green wire on the chase light harness. We stripped both of them back. We're going to use the supplied butt connector that comes in the kit. It is a heat shrink butt connector, so we're going to go ahead and crimp these onto the wire on both sides. And now to the factory harness, excuse me, to the chase light harness. And now we're going to apply a little heat to this, shrink it down around the wires, and that will complete your connection here. All that'll be left is to go ahead and plug this back into the pigtail, and your blinkers will work. Now that we finished the installation, we made sure and we zip tied everything up out of the way, so it's not going to come in contact with anything hot or dangerous or anything like that. So let me go ahead and show you on the bar how this works now. Let me go ahead and turn the car on, and if I hit the left blinker, you'll see just the left light on the chase light blinks. And now if I hit the right blinker, same thing with the right side, just the right side works. You have now completed your install for the blinker kit on a chase light. If you have any questions on how to integrate your chase light into an existing blinker kit, or if you have any other questions on any of our other products, please feel free to reach out to us by email, support@rlbmotorsports.com, or you can give us a call, 530-888-9600. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. Thanks.